So here you can see just a first sort of all the wood that I have. I filled 3 of the drawers, actually 4, but I'll show you in a minute. So this is just to see if I have enough drawers, and I think I'm gonna make a few more. I can do some more sorting, but at least everything seems to fit in. I did notice one slight thing, and the bottoms of these drawers are made of MDF, and I have to cut a little bit off lengthwise, but also in the other direction. Sorry, I lost for terms here. And yesterday I was cleaning up and I thought I should have more of these long strips of MDF because I cut them off. And then I thought, uh-oh, I forgot to do that for 2 of the drawers. And I just measured it and it's right. Actually, this one is about 1 centimeter more wide than this one and then this one. So I forgot to saw it off. So I started repairing one. There's a fairly easy solution for it. So I took this batten out from the side here, and I'm gonna put it on the inside, and I'm gonna cut off the remainder here. So this is about 1/2 centimeter, so that makes it just a little bit shorter, and it still fits in the chest of drawers, so that's good enough. But I bought materials for new drawers, so I'm not going to forget this time to saw them off lengthwise. Otherwise, I have to do this again, and this is a waste of time. But anyway, it's a funny moment because I don't know. It took about let's say 16 hours before the intuition of having too little leftover wood to result into the fact that I made the drawers too wide. So that's a funny thing for you. Alright, I'm gonna fix this now and then fix the other drawer and then move on. So this is about as far as I'm going to go right now. As you see, there are 7 drawers in there. There's space for another one that's actually also been built, but it's in another room. It contains some wood that smells of cigarette smoke, so I'm trying to get it out. Yeah, so you can see that it's a pretty simple thing. It's well, not very beautiful, but it's made on the cheap like I wanted, and it works reasonably well. I'll just take out the top drawer. Oh, hold on. So yeah, I still have to make some holes for that, but yeah, it's good enough for now. Oh, I have to put it in the right way. It's difficult to do with one hand. I wrote the type of wood on it for now, so it works okay. Of course, I'm gonna finish it a little while later. All the drawers are gonna have compartments in them. I still have to make them. Also, still have to finish them, paint them up. I want to make some doors in front of here because it's really not that pretty right now. And I'm probably gonna fill up this space as well. But for now, it's yeah, this half-finished model of the Norse lion. And also it's some space for the Royal Louise. It's nice to have it here. It's another project. Alright, we have a little bit more progress in the chest of drawers. As you see, we now have 6 drawers and space for 2 more. Those have also been made, but they are containing other stuff now. I also made all the, let's say, handholds in it so I can easily open it. Let me just show it. Well, much easier. It's got some, I think this is called veneer in English. So very thin wood. Let me close it again. So it's not so easy with one hand. That's why it has 2 handholds. Also started at the bottom, preparing for a lot of drawers, and I made a few. So there are 4 drawers by now, and another 3 are going in, maybe 4, I think. I made space for 4, but maybe I'll stop at 3. I think, I don't remember. But it works pretty well, so I'm quite happy with it. A lot of stuff goes in it, and it saves a lot of space elsewhere. So I'm just getting there. I think that the remaining space in here, I think I will leave it open for now, because I don't know if I need small drawers like up there or bigger drawers like down there. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like that, because I have all the stuff in it that I need, and this is a flexible space. I am doubting whether I will put doors in it. I know I was planning to do so. But so what I'm worried about, if I was planning to make piano hinges here, so the door would open like this. And I was worried that if I open the door like this, it has to be open quite far before I can open the drawers like this. And of course the doors will not stay open, they will just move about a bit on two sides. So here, there as well. I think that will be really annoying, because I want to pull the drawers out and then the doors will be in the way and I have to keep them open with my elbows or something. So I am doubting a little bit. So the second reason I'm doubting is because I am taking a course in, I think this is called stained glass or leaded glass. I was planning to incorporate those into the doors, but it will make the doors really heavy. And also when they're open like this and they're heavy, they're more likely, I think, to move about. So I am unsure about it. Let me just first finish this, start using it, and figure it out later. It's usually the excellent way of dealing with a decision. Just postpone it until you know what you want. So yeah, that's it. It's time to make a few more drawers and then I'm done for a while.